Why learn to code?
Coding opens doors to countless opportunities. Whether you want to build your own apps, automate tasks, or start a career in technology, learning to code helps you solve problems and think logically. With technology everywhere, understanding code also helps you make sense of the digital world and empowers you with a valuable, future-proof skill.
Choose the right programming language.
Start with a beginner-friendly language. Python is widely recommended because of its clear syntax and versatility. If you're interested in web development, consider HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The best language depends on your interests. Research your goals and pick a language that aligns with what you want to create or learn.
Set up your development environment.
You'll need the right tools to write and test code. Download a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, and install your chosen language. Many languages have beginner-friendly online platforms like Codecademy or REPL IT, where you can code directly in your browser without complex setup.
Find quality learning resources.
Choose resources that match your learning style. Books and online tutorials offer structured lessons, while video courses and interactive platforms enable hands-on practice. Look for beginner guides, official documentation, and free coding websites. Practice regularly by solving simple problems and gradually increasing the difficulty.
Practice, projects, and community.
Consistent practice is key to progress. Build small projects, like a calculator or a personal website, to reinforce concepts. Don't hesitate to join online communities. Forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit can help answer questions and provide support. Learning by doing and connecting with others helps you stay motivated and improve faster.